Hey everyone, welcome back to An English Compass. I'm James.
Hi, James. Hey, everybody. So good to be here with you today.
Lisa, how's it going? You seem in a good mood.
I am, actually. I'm really excited about today's topic. How about you?
Same here. Before we jump in, quick reminder for our listeners. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button.
Yes, please. And if you like what you hear, a quick like or share really helps us out. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Okay, Lisa, what are we talking about today?
So today, we're chatting about shopping for clothes. You know, those everyday moments when you walk into a store and need to ask about sizes, prices, colors, all that stuff.
Oh, I love this one. It's so practical. Like everyone needs to buy clothes at some point, right?
Exactly. And if you're learning English, it can feel a little tricky at first. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple and fun.
That's the plan. So, Lisa, let's say I walk into a clothing store. What's the very first thing I should say?
Good question. Honestly, just a simple hi or excuse me works great. You don't need anything fancy.
So like, hi, I'm looking for a shirt.
Perfect. That's exactly it. Short, clear, friendly.
Nice. And what if I don't know the word for something? Like, I point to a jacket, but I'm not sure it's called a jacket.
Oh, that happens all the time. You can just say, "What's this called?" Or, "How do you say this in English?" Shop assistants hear that a lot. They're usually happy to help.
That's reassuring. Okay, let's practice a tiny bit. I'll be the customer.
Sure, go ahead.
Excuse me, I'm looking for pants.
Got it. What size are you looking for? Got it. What size are you looking for?
Size medium, I think.
Perfect. Let me grab a pair for you.
Wait, how much are they?
They're $25. And actually, they're on sale this week.
Oh, nice. Can I try them on?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there.
Thanks so much.
You got it,
See, that wasn't so hard.
right? Short sentences, clear questions. That's all you need.
I like that. Okay, but let's back up a sec. For our listeners who are just starting out, maybe we should go over some basic clothes words first.
Great idea. Let's do a quick, relaxed vocab run-through. I'll say a word. You repeat it. No pressure.
Sounds good. Ready when you are?
Shirt,
Shirt,
t-shirt,
t-shirt,
sweater,
sweater,
jacket,
jacket,
coat, coat,
coat,
pants,
pants, pants,
jeans,
jeans,
shorts,
shorts,
skirt,
skirt,
dress,
dress,
shoes,
shoes,
boots,
boots,
scarf.
scarf.
Nice. Your pronunciation is really clear, James. Nice. Your pronunciation is really clear, James.
Thanks, I've been practicing. You know, just repeating words while I make coffee in the morning.
That's a great tip, actually. Little moments add up.
Totally. Okay, so sizes. This is where I always get nervous. What if I don't know my size in English stores?
Oh, don't stress. First, you can just say, "What sizes do you have?" Or, "Do you have this in medium?"
And if I'm not sure if I'm medium or large?
Then you say, "Can I try both?" Seriously, that's totally normal. Everyone does it.
Good to know. So phrases like, I need a bigger size, or this is too small. Those work?
Yep, those are perfect. And if you want to be extra polite, add please or thank you. But even without them, you'll be understood.
Cool. What about prices? I always worry about asking how much like I'm being rude.
Oh, you're not. In English, asking about price is totally normal. How much is this? Is the magic question.
And if it's too expensive, can I say that?
You can, yeah. You could say, "That's a bit more than I wanted to spend." Or, "Do you have something similar but less expensive?"
I like that. Soft but clear.
Exactly. And don't forget to ask about sales. Is this on sale? Or, "Do you have any discounts?" Can save you money.
Smart. Okay, let's try another quick role play. This time I'll ask about a discount.
Sure thing. I'll be the shop assistant. Go ahead.
Hi there. Is this jacket on sale?
It is. It was $80, but now it's $60.
Oh, that's a good deal. Do you have it in large?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Want to try it on?
Yes, please. Where's the fitting room? Yes, please. Where's the fitting room?
Right this way. Take your time.
Thanks so much.
Anytime?
See, that felt pretty natural.
It did. And notice how we didn't use any complicated words. Just simple, everyday English.
That's the key, right? Keep it simple.
Exactly. Now colors, this is a fun one.
Okay, hit me.
So in English, we always say the color first. Like a blue shirt, not a shirt blue.
Got it. Color then item.
Yep. And some basic colors. Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, brown, gray, pink, purple, orange.
Easy enough. So if I want a black sweater, I just say, do you have this in black?
Perfect. Or I'm looking for a green jacket. Super straightforward.
I like that. No overthinking.
That's the vibe. Now let's talk about trying things on.
Yes, because what if the fitting room is busy or I need help?
Good point. You can say, is the fitting room free? Or, could I try this on, please?
And if it doesn't fit?
Then you just say, this is too big, or this is too small, and ask for another size. No shame.
I appreciate that. Sometimes I feel bad asking for help.
Don't. Shop assistants are there to help. That's their job. A simple, could you help me find a smaller size? Works great.
Noted. Okay, what about paying? That always feels like the final boss level.
Ha ha ha, I get that. But it's actually simple. When you're ready, just go to the counter and say, I'd like to buy this, please.
And then they'll ask about payment?
Usually, yeah. They might say card or cash, so you can reply card please or I'll pay with cash.
And if I want to use a credit card?
Just say, do you accept credit cards? Most places do, but it's good to check.
Makes sense. Okay, let's do one more quick practice. This time, the full flow. From hello to goodbye.
Love it, I'll start. Hi there, can I help you find something today?
Hi, yeah, I'm looking for a t-shirt. Something simple.
Sure thing. What size do you wear?
I think medium, but I'm not totally sure.
No worries. Here's a medium in blue and also a large if you want to compare.
Oh, thanks. How much are they?
The medium is $20, the large is $22. Both are good quality.
Okay, I'll try the medium first. Where's the fitting room?
Right over there. Let me know if you need another size.
Will do, thanks.
Take your time.
Hey, this fits great. I'll take it.
Awesome. Ready to check out?
Yes, please.
That'll be $20. Card or cash?
Card, please.
Perfect. Just tap or insert here, and you're all set.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Come back anytime.
See, that whole conversation was just normal.
Exactly. No fancy words, no stress. Just clear, friendly English.
I think that's the biggest takeaway for our listeners. You don't need perfect grammar to shop successfully.
Yes. Communication is about being understood, not being perfect. A smile and a simple sentence go a long way.
So true. Okay, let's wrap up with a few quick tips for our listeners who want to practice this week.
Love that. Tip 1. Practice 3 close words every day. Just say them out loud while you get dressed.
Tip 2. Look at something in your room and ask yourself, how much is this? Then answer in English. It's $10. Silly, but it builds confidence.
Tip 3. Next time you shop, even in your native language, try adding one English phrase, like thank you or how much.
Tip 4. Watch a short English shopping video online and repeat one sentence you hear. Shadowing is powerful.
And tip 5. Remember, mistakes are okay. If you say I want pant instead of pants, people will still understand you. Keep going.
Yes, progress over perfection, always.
Couldn't agree more.
Before we go, Lisa, any final encouragement for our listeners?
Just this. You've got this. Every time you try, you're getting better. And we're here cheering you on.
Love that. And for our listeners, if this episode helped you, please subscribe to An English Compass, leave a like, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. What's one clothing word you learned today? Or tell us about your last shopping trip. In English or your language, we don't mind.
We read every comment, and it means the world to us.
Thank you all for spending time with us today.
Seriously, thank you. Keep practicing, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.